Welcome back. I hope you have completed your step one and step two review and analysis of who you are and who are the people similar to you. Now, at this stage, you have known yourself and you have known your goal. Let's work towards how to become the person that you want to be. Let's work out the plan, right? So the career plan. Now, if you have logged in back into the system, you'll come to the dashboard. You can select the career plan that you have, and we can navigate to the step 3 career planning. Now, in this step over here, you will see on the left hand side, these are the up to five experts that you have selected earlier. So at this stage, let's call them your heroes, your role model. These are the people that you want to become. And these are the people that you have selected earlier. On the right hand side, this is going to be your career plan. So this is all about yourself. Now, over here, you can see that what are the things from the expert on the left hand side that you can copy into your career plan. I would recommend you to go through all the experts that you have selected. Again, look at all their key achievement, what they have done. We have the rating that these are could be similar to you. These are the traits that it can help you to improve. And if let's say you want to learn a certain skill, for example, I want, after going through all the expert and I decided that I want to become AI engineer, I can click on the pencil over here, edit the name, and upload my picture as well. Once you are done, click done, and it's going to save your career plan as AI engineer career plan. So this is what you see earlier in the dashboard, and also the name on the navigation panel over here. Now you can, same thing, drag and drop. Let's say there are certain things that you're interested in. Voice recognition, this is interesting. Maybe I want to drag. I want to try this, but this is iPhone 4 is a bit outdated. I'm going to change the plan a little bit. Or maybe I want to do something a bit different. Let's see, how about creating virtual assistant capable of voice recognition for Mimicue. That is my plan. I can set when I plan to complete this, and there will be a note that I've copied this from Steve Jobs' experience. You can save it. If you notice, there are a few icons on the right hand side. I can delete some of the icon, some of the card. This is what we call as cue card, hence the name Mimicue. I think by now you should have seen a lot of cards in our design, from the expert, from the key achievement, and then these eventually are the cue card. Like things like what you use when you go on stage. These are the reminder for you. So these are the reminder for you how to become this person that you want to be. So you can move around up and down. You can delete it if you want. And you can even explore training. So based on the expert or hero that you have selected, and if you want to become inventor like Steve Jobs, let's look at what are the trainings recommended to you. All right, because I want to work on the voice recognition, I will need to know a bit on the AI. So I'll probably need to start with the learning statistic using R. So far, we have a few thousand of the online courses, mostly free, that we have registered in our system. We have actually identified these are the courses that may help you to achieve the goal that you're looking for. It's up to you to go through the course list and decide which one that you want to take. Again, we are not asking you to become everything, to learn everything. We want you to go through the list and decide which one that you feel more relevant to you. Once you go through all your heroes, look at their key achievement, look at the training recommendations, and build your career queue on the right. If there's nothing that you like and you feel that maybe there's something that you want to learn, you can create the queue card manually. And maybe I'll just say that, okay, join startup incubation program in Singapore by certain date, maybe by January, and save it. So I can also create my own queue card. And as you can notice, there's not a note from that we copied from someone over here. All right, so that is the steps for you to create your career plan. Your task in this step is go through all your hero's journey, go through all the training recommendation, look at which one that you are interested in, drag and drop into your own career plan on the right hand side. When you are done, you are ready to move on to the step 4. Just click on the button at the bottom here.